Good evening, dear subscribers of public page Kazeng. Today I'm very glad to announce the winner of our contest. It's been 2 months since we've started our contest, and since that time we have received a lot of proposals from different people, and it was a really hard decision to determine the winner among these people. And finally we've got a winner, and the winner's name is Adam Cake. Congratulations, Adam Cake. Dear Adam, you can collect your prize from Almaty City, or you can just leave your details down below in the comments. Thank you very much. We really appreciate your work, and all the best to you.